Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 2015 Kia Sportage, stock reference number 5505. The shape runs from the 5th month 2010 through to the 10th month 2015. It has a 2-litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by an automatic all-wheel drive transmission. 2-litre 4-cylinder petrol engine with a radiator grille, right-hand headlight, right-hand fog light, tidy front bumper cover, left-hand fog light, left-hand headlight, left guard appears to have no damage, left power door mirror, bonnet has no damage, left front door has no damage, left rear door has no damage, left rear 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, left-hand tail light, tailgate garnish, right-hand tailgate garnish, right-hand tail light, right rear 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Both right-hand doors appear to have no damage, right guard has no damage, right power door mirror, and a right front 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black leather interior, automatic type console, automatic gear shifter, heated controls, single stack CD player, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, sunglass holder type, left hand sun visor, right hand sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy 3-spoke leather steering wheel with cruise audio and phone buttons.